hello everyone, good morning. We're here today at City Soho Mall, just in front of Vicente Soto. It's actually the grand opening of Cebu, and we have BYC with us. Those are all the vlogger friends who are vlogging right now.
1, 2, 3.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you
We also have DJ Jackie, guys. Don't forget.
Hi, guys.
Don't forget to support his channel as well. His
DJ
new
Jackie Vlogs.
DJ Jackie Vlogs channel in YouTube, and he's also in Facebook. He's also in Facebook, which is DJ Jackie Spotted. Right,
Yes.
so
Mapalagi ko diha.
yes. Kanina ako ay ang duha.
Okay, 3 months siya.
Oh. Everyone got their free Cebu chat shirt. RGG Show. Si Shauna, official videographer of MFM.
Hi, good morning. Everyone, we're going to invite you to come to the grand opening of Cebu City Soho Mall branch. Come visit us and from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. So we have a promo today that Piso milk is available now. Malakas Cebu di si Vicky. They have to buy one large premium latte series or the healthy fruit ilan,
Which costs
99 pesos only.
99.
And instead na 79 pesos ang classic na medium, they will pay only 1 peso.
Alright, so 100 na lang yun ang dalhon, no?
So duha na for 100.
Loyalty card on, right?
Yes, loyalty cards are for free. They can avail kung sumari sila today, tagaan sila loyalty card for free. Instead na mabayad sila dito. First purchase sa na large na premium sa latte series or sa healthy kay naanay piso milk tea. So tomorrow makabil na sila na kung balik sila. And then the fifth purchase na 50% off. And then sa 10th, free dun siya.
Wow!
And then, if ma-complete na siya, pwede na siya ipang-raffle. Naatay madagan, pwede na cellphone, tablet, and other merchandise like t-shirts, masks, and also GCs.
Do you deliver?
Yes, we deliver na tayo own riders so that we can also help them. So wala tayo partners na mga
Third
foodpanda.
party.
So kung nagdagan magod na mutana, if naabot na sa food panda. So wala. We have our own riders. You can just message us, Cebu Philippines or Cebu City Soho Mall branch.
Number to call?
You can call us at 384-0923.
Again?
384-0923.
Alright, thank you.
We have already 12. DPO, Carmen, Sugod, Hiluan, Danao, Alcoy, Minglanilla, Kabantan, Alcoy, Magikay, Mandawi, Lapu-Lapu, and Argao. So
Wow.
12.
So all branches kay ma-avail ko ng mga loyalty card.
Yes, naa siya yung loyalty card ka na.
Pwede interbranch? Like,
No, nara pa siya yung code. So,
Ah.
ka na. So, kay katumugod, basta kay per municipality man mi. So, para fair lang sa tanan. So, sa ilaha lang dito. Mga
Okay.
i-avail sa ilaha.
The loyalty card for City Soho Mall is
City
City
Soho.
Soho.
Yes.
alright, thank you.
Thank you.
Ma'am, may I get your full names, please?
I'm Michelle Rose Lopez.
I'm Micah Angelique Harris. You can follow me on TikTok. I am Micah97.
1, 2, 3. Funky.